Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Video, samahan niyo akong gawin ng aking makeup using Colorettes 5-step base bundle. So meron tayo ditong sun base, and then I have first base, which is the skin tint, and then I have the second base, which is the concealer, and then the third base, which is visible setting powder, and also meron tayong fixing and setting spray na super base. Okay, samahan niyo akong gawin ng ating makeup today. Tara! Kapag skin prep na ako, wala akong anything sa face, ano lang yan, moisturizer, this is skincare. First na gagamitin natin is the sun base. Ito yung kanilang everyday sunscreen primer with SPF. Meron na siyang squalane, niacinamide, hyaluronic acid. Maganda yung product ng Colorette kasi meron na rin siyang skincare ingredients. Kung kayo yung tipo ng tao na parang on the go kayo or lagi kayo nagmamadali, perfect to para sa inyo. Yung wala na kayong time mag-skincare. Maganda siya sa face. Okay, let's go sa first base. This one is the skin tint. Meron na rin siyang azelaic acid, hyaluronic acid, and niacinamide skincare ingredients. Broad spectrum SPF 30. Demi matte lightweight skin tint. Ito yung pinakamarami kong blemishes na side ng face. And let's see kung makakover siya ng first base. Ang shade nga pala nito guys is Alona. Okay, texture niya is, makikita niya ba? Medyo runny. Ayan o. Alona is for light with warm undertone. I'm not sure guys kung shade match ko to. But let's see. Okay. Parang okay na, no? Okay, let's see. Bigyan natin yung buong series. Wala din to siyang amoy. Actually, not bad pala yung shade na Alona for my skin. Kasi ang alam ko talaga is warm undertone ako. Parang naglagay lang ako ng skincare, parang moisturizer or sunscreen, ganon. Second base, Alona din yung shade nito. Concealer, meron din siyang skincare ingredients. yung hyaluronic azelaic acid and niacinamide. Lightweight and then buildable yung coverage. Yeah, maganda yung coverage niya. And the fact, guys, that this is buildable. Kung buildable, ibig sabihin kahit patungan mo siya, hindi siya magkikik or parang magkakarack sa face mo. Usually kasi guys, ang problem ko sa concealer, pag naglalagay ako sa under eyes ko, settle sila dun sa mga lines. But this one, hindi. In fairness ha, ang ganda ng base. Ang kanina na sobrang bare ng face ko. You know. Base. Ito yung kanilang invisible setting powder. Kaya siya invisible, wala kasi siyang coverage. Ayan o, kulay white lang siya. And super fine nung kanyang texture. Wala siyang coverage at all. Palang bundle na to is nung nag-live yung Colorette sa TikTok. Doon ko sila binili. And yung price nila, since naka-bundle, is 2,222 pesos. Hindi ko lang alam kung magkano yung product individually. Pero, yun yung price nila nung nabili ko sila. Yun na yung base nyo and you just want to set your face para mas magmukha siyang matte and hindi ka magmumukhang oily all throughout the day. Use the invisible setting powder. Makita nyo ba yung face ko ngayon? Diba kanina parang medyo makintag-kintag siya. But, tingnan nyo naman. And wala siyang shadow fallout guys. Like, nakikita nyo ba? Like, pinaganyan ko na siya. Diba? Perfect lang talaga to siya guys, pang set. Hindi madagdagan na yung coverage sa face mo. Do the rest of our face. And later naman natin gagamitan yung ating fixing and setting spray. Grabe guys, habang tumatagal yung base, parang mas nagmumukha siyang natural sa face mo. Tingnan niyo. Finalize ko lang yung look and I'll be back. Here is the final look. And now, finish everything and to set everything. Let's use the colored Super Base Fixing and Setting Spray. So yun lang guys for today's video. I hope you enjoy this. And see you guys again on my next video. Bye bye!